If you were lucky enough to have a car in the early 1900s and it wasn't a Ford, chances are it was from the second largest auto manufacturer of the time, Willys Overland. So I bought the car for 10 grand, stuck it in the warehouse and forgot about it. Fast forward 2 years later, guy finds out I've got the car and he gives me a holler. He's like, well, would you sell it? And I'm like, I'll sell anything, even my firstborn. So here it is, Mr. Todd.
Yeah, it's the one you told me about on the phone, huh?
There we go. So, who's the boys?
This is my son, Sam.
Sam?
And Matthew.
Matthew. How you doing, man?
They grew up around old cars. They've spent their youth scraping grease and stripping paint, and they're my crew.
No kidding.
Yep.
Well, this is older than an old car. I compare these to more like tractors.
You mind if I spin the crank?
Yeah,
see
go
if the
for it.
motor's free? Yep, still has compression. That's good.
Man, in my opinion, on these door jambs and everything, this might be the original paint. What do you think?
I'm thinking it might be. This is the original upholstery. At least it appears original.
No kidding.
I had a 1917 Overland. I've always wanted a pre-16 Overland because it's considered a horseless carriage.
You know.
Okay, this may not be a good sign.
Why?
Whenever they have spare parts in the car, magnetos, I'm hoping it doesn't have a magneto issue. As far as this 15 Overland goes, it's been sitting for 40 years, which could be good or it could be bad. Since there is some unknowns, there's a little bit of work to be done to see if we're actually going to pull the trigger on it. Well, Richard, I love the car. I love the car. I'm trying not to show my poker face.
Well, like I told you on the phone, I think it's worth 15 grand all day long. That's like beat up, you know, Model A money.
15's a little strong. I feel like I'd be rolling the dice at 15 without hearing it run.
You just told me how you were such a good mechanic of these and you're teaching your kids. Take it home, get it running, you'll be in good shape.
Well, I don't think I'd have to take it home to get it running.
Oh, come on now. You sound pretty confident. Maybe we should make a little bet.
Okay. I tell you what, if I can get it running, I'll go 12 and a half.
Wait, so I'll take that, but if you can't get it running, you got to give me 15.
Oh.
See how good your team is?
Okay. Sure, I'll do that.
Can't.
Done deal.
You even get an air-conditioned shop to work in. So there you go. We got a friendly little wager going on. If Todd and his sons can get this car running, well, they're going to get it for 12.5. But if they can't, I'll get 15. It's rock and roll. Let's make the rear face out in case they get it running. I don't want all the fumes and rats inside.
No, when we get it running.
Win.
That's right.
For once, kind of hoping the car doesn't start.
Oh, look at this.
What'd you find?
Columbia flag set for your hood. I'd love to know what year these are from, but it looks old. Okay, now everybody check every door, see what are the hidden treasures we have.
This is a letter from January 27th, 1978.
Department of Public Safety.
Yeah, to whom it may concern, the above captioned vehicle has qualified as an ancient vehicle.
Ancient vehicle. Don't tell Richard, he's gonna want more money.
Yeah.
Oh, what you got, Matt?
Some old mail stamps.
Mail stamps? Like the old S&H green stamps?
Here.
Man, there.
January 27th, 78. 78? Yeah, 1978.
Oh, yeah. Man, these are probably worth a fortune in themselves. I bet these are worth some money. Oh, this is when they would take it to a show. They would just put this on, the cars to make sure that, that nobody messed with them. Oh, what do we got here?
Yeah.
Oh, this is like a little, it's from 1920. It's like a little road map of a subdivision. I bet these guys were looking to buy a house back in 1920, and they gave them this little flyer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, in Tahlequah, Oklahoma.
Yeah.
That's really neat.
What do you think this is?
Oh, that's a radiator badge. They would put that on the front of the radiator just to show it's a kind of like a military thing. You know what's amazing, guys? This car has been through 2 world wars, the Great Depression, Vietnam, Korea,
Yeah.
you know, 9/11, and about everything you can imagine in between. It's just, if this car could talk, the history is just amazing with these old cars.
It's awesome.
Boy, I tell you what, this fuel line is stubborn. Oh, I got it. Okay, Matthew, come over here and put the spark plugs and the caps back on, and Sam, get the gas can outside.
Think they got it running?
We're just gonna...
I don't know. We're fixing to see. Y'all getting close?
Getting close. Just bolt the carburetor on and crank it.
What goes right here, right here, and right here, and right here, and right here, and right here? What are those?
When it's really cold, you open that, put fuel in there, and it primes the cylinder.
Right on.
See, look at that.
I learned something.
That's why we don't mess with these things. So Todd and his kids are here, and they've made me a little bit of a quasi-bet, if you will. I had this 1915 Overland just laying around the shop, and if he can't get it running, he's agreed to pay me 15 grand. And if he can, I agreed to knock 2,500 bucks off the price. So, what did we find wrong so far? Nothing?
Not so lucky. Found a stuck valve on the number 2 cylinder. We were able to squirt some Marvel mystery oil in there, and it freed that up. Magneto will be the issue. Right now, it's all about spark. If we can get spark, it should run.
One of the coolest things that I've seen in a long time are 2 young kids under the driving age that are working on a car that is, well, it's 100 years older than they are, let's put it that way. And then on top of that, they're working with their dad. That's pretty rad. I don't see any gauges moving.
No, me either. And they don't have an ignition. All they have is magneto.
It's on when it's pushed in?
Yes.
All right, so we're hooked up right.
Yep. Nope, nothing on that one.
Well, you need spark, you need fuel, and you need air. We got fuel and air, we ain't getting no spark.
Okay, try it again. Nothing.
Basically, a magneto is a small electrical generator that makes a spark instead of a battery. Clearly, this one ain't working. And there's a couple of other old magnetos laying in the car, so obviously this was the problem when they parked it. But once they order a brand new magneto and install it, it should be all set. Well, at the end of the day, I feel like you and your guys got further than we would have in about 3 days.
Well, if I had a new magneto, I bet it'd start.
Well, the good part is you got a good story to tell, and then there'll be some old man going, oh, you god dang it, you didn't check out this thing over here.
Oh, you know it.
You got to press the Hooserman valve.
That's right.
You know, you and your boys worked hard. I'll give it to you for $12,500 anyways. To see him and his kids working on the car was worth it to me. Went ahead and sold them the car for $12,500. Guys, that was pretty cool. I like to see the young kids working on cars for sure. That's awesome. I wish you would have gotten running.
I'll send you a video of it running.
Heck yeah.
May even drive it back over here, just take you for a ride.
Oh, I dare you. So I made $2,500 on a $10,000 investment. That's 25% of my money. That's not too bad.
You do take $100 bills, don't you?
Yes, sir. That's awesome.
All in all, it was a great experience. I got a great price for the car. Got to spend some quality time with my boys here. Made some good memories, and you know, we hope to do it again.
Hey, we'll help you guys get this loaded in a second. Thank you again.
Thanks again, Rick.
Right on. Thanks for making your kids work on cars. They won't do it these days. Daphne, count this money.